Buy this if you are a beginner or intermediate hobbyist who wants a reliable tool that works exactly like a kitchen appliance without requiring a deep background in mechanical engineering. You primarily print with polylactic acid or polyethylene terephthalic glycol to create miniatures, organizational organizers, brackets, or decorative models. You have limited desk real estate and value a quiet, clean workspace over maximum part size. Skip this if the 180mm build envelope is too restrictive for your manufacturing needs or forces you to compromise on your industrial design workflow. You need to print functional, high-strength parts using advanced engineering filaments that require enclosed heated chambers and high-temperature beds. You refuse to be locked into a proprietary ecosystem and prefer a fully open-source machine that you can upgrade, modify, and repair using generic global parts.